Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hold resolve if iTunes is not seeming to play through your headphones on your Windows computer. So for some reason you're having a problem with this, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle here. So we're going to go jump right into it and start by opening up the start menu. Just click on the start button one time. Type in run, so R-U-N. Best match, to come back or run, go ahead and left click on that one time. And into this open field, you want to go type in mmsys.cpl, exactly as it appears on my screen. So again, mmsys, and do a dot or a period cpl, and then either hit enter on your keyboard or left click on OK. Once you have the sound window open here, you want to go make sure underneath the playback tab, you might have multiple speakers listed in here. You want to go select whichever one you want to set as your default one and just select it by left clicking on it one time. And there should be an option to set as default, so if you hit multiple playback devices, you just want to select whichever one the correct one is and then select set default and then click on OK. Also make sure your volume's on your speaker itself, so if there's a knob on it, make sure you turn it up. And down in your taskbar, you might want to just click on the little speaker icon and make sure you adjust the speaker icon accordingly, just making sure that you'll be able to access your Windows speaker as well. So hopefully that should be about it. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.